In the world of game development, Unity stands as a powerful game engine that harnesses the collective strength of open-source technologies and community-driven innovation. At Oodles Technologies, we are passionate about leveraging Unity's capabilities to create immersive and engaging gaming experiences for our clients. Unity's foundation is built upon open-source gems like Mono, the .NET framework implementation that enables developers to write game logic using the robust C# language. This integration provides a high-performance runtime environment and a rich set of libraries, seamlessly blending with Unity's core components. Furthermore, Unity integrates the open-source PhysX physics engine, enabling realistic simulations of rigid body dynamics, cloth, and fluid simulations, essential for creating immersive gaming experiences. Additionally, Unity supports open-source graphics APIs like OpenGL and Vulkan, allowing developers to leverage the full potential of modern graphics hardware for efficient rendering and advanced graphics techniques. Unity's Asset Store is a vibrant marketplace where developers can share, buy, and sell assets, tools, and plugins, fostering collaboration and accelerating development. This community-driven ecosystem provides access to a vast collection of high-quality assets, ranging from 3D models and textures to scripts and shaders. Unity's open-source philosophy encourages the development of various open-source projects within the community, empowering developers to extend Unity's capabilities and tailor it to their specific needs. Unity's extensive documentation and active forums facilitate knowledge sharing and collaboration among developers, fostering a continuous learning environment. By leveraging open-source technologies and community-driven innovation, Unity offers cost-effectiveness, customizability, extensibility, rapid iteration, and prototyping. Its cross-platform compatibility enables developers to target a wide range of platforms without significant effort, while collaborative development drives continuous innovation within the gaming industry. At Oodles Technologies, we are experts in harnessing the power of Unity's open-source ecosystem to create cutting-edge gaming experiences for our clients. Contact us today to discuss your game development project and let us bring your vision to life. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the notification bell for more informative content.